over the years, I have listened to countless podcasts. Out of all of them, these five American English podcasts have truly blown me away. So, the first category for everyone who is actively learning English, this one is absolute gold. Veronica's Language Diary. This channel is incredibly productive and is all about language learning. Veronica is originally from Russia. She speaks with such a beautiful clarity, and her English pronunciation, expressions, word choices are just fantastic.
As a college student in Russia, I had to wake up super early every single morning and catch a train to go to college. While I was on the train, I had an hour to kill. Yeah, it was pretty intense. So what I would do is I would listen to something in English. I would either listen to a podcast in English or I would watch a YouTube video in English.
While she has a clear American accent, you will notice she has her own unique style. So, if you are looking for that perfect balance of clarity and individuality in your English, in your pronunciation, then you can check out her videos. She shares a lot about learning strategies, and you can directly copy her path towards the fluency. The next one is Volka English. Volka has such a special philosophy for learning English, which is to immerse yourself in real life. All his videos are filmed in real world scenarios. He will literally be walking around everywhere, like with his camera in his hands and narrating his every move, each and a small action.
Come over here. This is a mosque. It's a mosque, but if you come around here, so you can see the sand and the rocks, and you can see underneath the mosque. But when it's high tide, what happens when it's high tide?
When it's high tide, the water comes back to its highest point.
So the water rises. And over there in the distance, you can see some boats on the water, and you can also see some boats in the sand there. And right now, you can say that they are stuck there because they cannot move. They are beached. Just like a whale can be beached, that's just when a whale goes on land and then it can't swim because a whale can only swim and move in water.
Imagine that you are heading out, opening the door, and in your head you are just describing it all in English. Now, if you are ready to beyond a little bit and use your English to learn about the world and yourself, these next two channels are just phenomenal. First one is Liz. This one reminds me my worth, feminism, and whatnot.
Okay, so you clicked on this video because you want to be confident. Do you want to walk into any meeting, any room with all eyes on you? With people actually listening to you and not pretending like they're hearing what you're saying? Do you want to attract that partner that you desire because your confidence radiates and they cannot do anything but be near you? Do you want to walk into every single room and have all eyes on you, even if you're just in your pajamas, because that's the energy you radiate? Well, honey, keep watching, because I will show you in this video how to get confident. And before you start to comment, oh my god, it's easy for you to say you're pretty, it's easy for you to be confident. I was more beautiful when I was younger.
She talks about life phenomena, self-growth, and current hot topics. The best part is you are not just listening to English, you are gaining new mindsets and fresh perspectives. The next one is Learn English with TV series. This channel has a completely different approach, but it's just a powerful channel. Their philosophy is simple: learn English the way native speakers actually use it.
Today, we'll see how these four children find themselves in this magic place for the very first time, and we'll observe their reactions and learn how to express surprise at other emotions in English. But before we get started, let me remind you of our method. First, we will watch the clip With the subtitles, you'll learn the most important grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Then, at the end of the lesson, you will watch the clip a final time, now without the subtitles, and answer some of the quiz questions.
Instead of textbooks, sentences, they take some small clips from popular TV shows and movies, and then they try to just explain it in a way like conversations, real emotions. The fifth and the last channel which I'm going to suggest, that is Book Echo Hub. This channel is for those people who want to learn English while also growing their mindset and life, just as me. You see behind me there are a lot of books. I started learning English with these books. My motto was just simple, that I want to learn English. And that's why I bought these books. But gradually, unintentionally, I was growing my mindset also. I was growing my lifestyle. I started improving my habits. So the idea is simple: learn English through books, not just reading, but actually understanding and applying it in your real life.
Overthinking is a habit, not a personality trait, and habits can be broken. The illusion of control. One of the core reasons we overthink is the belief that if we analyze something enough, we can control the outcome. We want to avoid mistakes, pain, and regret.
On this channel, you will find the whole book in audiobook. I know when somebody tell you about reading books, you get a big trauma about it, that oh my god, how am I supposed to read such a thick book? So no problem. Here on this channel, you get books in audiobooks. Now let me break down this idea into easy words so you can learn English without feeling overwhelmed. With this channel, it will not be just English learning, it will be personality development with English. Imagine you are reading a life changing book, but instead of struggling with difficult words, you are understanding everything clearly and improving your English at the same time. Now, here, this was my suggestion. Let me know which one you want to try from now to learn English. And if you also have your favorite channel, then don't forget to share it in our comment section. I will definitely pin your comment so that other people also can figure out that channel and they can improve their English through those channels. And literally, these channels are going to help us a lot because we are not natives. We do not have environment. Getting my point? So these channels are such a blessing which creates the English environment for you to learn English. Now meet you soon in the next video.